Today, July 9th, 2024. Please go through the disclaimer. Okay, let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. So I think yesterday, those who were there, I think we discussed that we are going for some sideways moment. Okay, and that's what exactly happened. Over the last four sessions, the range has been just 200, 250 points in Nifty, which is very less if you compare the level 24,300 पे 4 दिन में 200-250 पॉइंट का रेंज बहुत कम होता है. Okay, the thing is like the market is quite extended from its key moving averages. So if you look at the Thursday or Friday, the Nifty was extended almost 6% from its 50 DMA. The 50 DMA 23,000 तक भी नहीं था. Okay, and we were trading around 23,000, 24,300 level or so. So we were quite extended as far as the key moving averages are concerned. So in such cases, either there is a sideways momentum or we see some 2-3% pullback at least towards this green line, which is 21 DMA. Okay, now for today's session, or I think today's week, this 10-week moving average very important. So yesterday it was somewhere around 24,050. Now it is somewhere around 24,100. So levels around 24,100 becomes very crucial to hold. If we see some correction, अगर थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ pull back आता है, थोड़ा selling आता है market में, तो 24,100 is very crucial to watch out. On the higher side, I think we want to move above the 24,400 zone. Okay, which is very important to move above that. So once we move about this 24,400 zone, we might see some 100-200 points of momentum or maybe even more. And we might approach your 24,750 or 25,000 in this month. On a monthly basis, if you are looking for a broader view, then I think this 21 DMA becomes important to hold, which is somewhere around 23,700 to 800. ये level important हो जाता है on a monthly basis, and this one on a weekly basis. Once we breach this 100, then we go for the next level to watch out. And distribution day count is already low. It's only one, so there's no major signal or no even signals of corrections or the sell-ups in the market. See, the thing is it is become very stock specific. अगर आप broadly देखो तो even broader market में रोकड़ा में भी क्या होता है कि मिड कैप स्मॉल कैप में बहुत स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक हो गया है. जो चल रहा है वो जोरदार चल रहा है. The stocks which are not able to perform, they are not able to, either they are going through phase of correction or consolidation. Okay, so now it is very clear distinction between the stocks running well, stocks moving higher and not. So we are into that phase. There will be a selective rally, and you need to be very good with picking your stocks. Okay, so that's important. Even if Nifty is at a fresh high, but if you see that your stock is not performing, it is getting sold off on a volume, कोई key moving breach हो जाता है आपका portfolio stock, then it is always good to book profit और कट लॉसेस. बिकॉज अभी मार्केट और वो पूरा ब्रॉडर स्टॉक रैली जो है ना वो थोड़ा डीकपल होता जा रहा है. नाउ इट इज सिलेक्टिव पॉकेट्स दैट आर मूविंग हायर. ओके, नेक्स्ट न्यूज फ्रंट. Jupiter Wagons, 1,000 crore QIP, floor price 689. Pitti Engineering, 360 crore QIP, floor price 1054. MGL hiked CNG price by 1.5 per kg. Conco's domestic volume grew 15% YOY, while Exim grew 3.3% YOY. Inox Wind bags 200 megawatt order for its latest wind turbine generators. And yesterday, FI bought shares worth rupees 61 crore, and DI bought excellent around 2,900 crore of shares. So the DI continues its buying spree. There's a lot of SIPs coming, still a lot of flow in the mutual funds. Now, if you look at global market, uh, Nasdaq S&P did hit a fresh high again. So the US market is also, rocking. And but broadly, if you see the closing was very flattish. A 0.1% loss in Dow, 0.1% gain in S&P. and some 20 pips gain in Nasdaq. Asian market, Nikkei is up around 1.5%. Kospi is flat. And Shanghai is down 0.4%. So कोई इतना major cues नहीं है, but yeah, there is no negative cues coming. There is no major positive cues coming कि भाई चलो global market के दम पे ऐसा 200-250 पॉइंट का रैली मिल जाए निफ्टी में. But it's a muted one, and you might feel that it's a repeat of yesterday, but it's same. Yeah, Nifty, GIFT Nifty is also very muted. It indicates a flat opening. 388 अराउंड, कल भी यही लेवल था, 390 था, आज भी 388 है. निफ्टी में भी कल कुछ 4-5 पॉइंट इधर उधर हुआ था. एंड लेट्स सी, आई थिंक ओपनिंग में वही हो रहा है, 20-30-40 पॉइंट इधर उधर मैक्सिमम होगा, बट ब्रॉडली एक फ्लैट ओपनिंग मिलेगा देखने को. So chart of the day. So Zydus Lifestyle looks interesting. Its fundamentals are good. I think if you look at the EPS growth, sales growth, that's quite decent over the last 2-3 quarters. Return on equity of 22% is really good. Number of fund holding the stock has also increased. Okay, the ratings are good. The EPS, the RS, the buyer demand. Okay, it has formed a consolidation base over here. 50 DMA पे अच्छा support है. उसके बाद अभी अगर देखो ये ग्रीन लाइन 21 DMA पे पूरे जून मंथ में वहां पे सपोर्ट मिला है. सो एंड इट इज जस्ट 1% बिलो द पिवट. सो इफ इट ब्रेक्स आउट ऑन अ हायर वॉल्यूम, अगर क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे थोड़ा हायर वॉल्यूम पे, आई थिंक इफ यू सी दैट यस्टरडे का हाई निकल जाता है, इफ यस्टरडे हाई इज टेकन आउट on a higher volume, so there was a good accumulation over here, then it will be very positive and you might see some momentum on the positive side in this stock. According to O'Neill, 0 to 5% is the ideal buy zone for the stock. So this one overall looks quite good, and we have kept it as a stock of the day or the chart of the day. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.